put WD-40 on these 2 points, motion points, and then I plugged in and got power so that I can rotate it with the motor. And I got, you can see the needle bar goes left to right for the zigzag now pretty smoothly and doesn't get stuck. And I was talking about this top rocker here that does the zigzag. That's the cam follower getting the left and right motion that then gets translated over here for zigzag. And if we switch to our next stitch, this is gonna move too quickly. Come on. That's buttonholing one, I think. So it only moves left to right, doesn't do the feed dogs. This is a triple stitch for stretch. So you can see it moving gradually left to right, and then the rocker here goes in steps. And the blind hem, so it only catches once in a while, and then back to our zigzag. So that's the 4 stitches, and it's moving again. So now we can proceed to try and double check the timing on it and see if it stitches. I think, as I've been watching it, that I may have gotten lucky, and when I put this back down I just guessed and got it on the correct tooth, which would be pretty awesome, but we'll have to double check it and make sure that it is stitching pretty well. So to check the timing on this, we gotta make sure that when this needle bar is all the way down here, it's not being moved left and right. So I have currently, the hook is out, so I'm gonna raise the needle bar all the way up, put our needle in. This should be a flat to the front. No, it's a flat to the back needle. There we go. Flat to the back. So when you get an old machine and you don't know which way the needle faces, if you've got a bobbin that faces forward, the needle always has to go in the same, the hole in the needle has to match the hook and the bobbin. So this machine, because it's got a bobbin like this, the bobbin and hook like this, the hole in the needle has to be 90 degrees. If you've got a machine where the bobbin and hook are like this, then the flat on the needle is going to make it so that the eye of the needle is crossways. So now we're going to watch the tip of that needle. It goes down and in, and I'm just watching it really carefully here to make sure it's not moving. And then it comes back up and goes down and in, and that needle is bent, I think. May have to go get a new needle. Let's see here. I don't know. I'll try this a little bit without. Trying to do that one-handed, and it did not work. Alright. So since I think that's okay, we will make sure that's up, and then I got a light in one side and the camera on the other, so it's very hard for me to get reached in here. There. There's the hook. And the other race. There, both the clips are in it. And gently turn and listen. Nope, it doesn't seem to hit. And now see if I can get just lay this on its back here. So we can look. Alright, now the needle should be coming down, comes in, goes there. You can see the tip of the needle there. And then it starts to go up, and the hook comes around to bring the loop around the bobbin, and then the hook goes up and the needle comes down. Oh, and I wonder if the timing is out, because the needle should stay down just a teeny bit longer to make sure the hook catches the loop on the bottom of the needle. Well, maybe that, we'll have to see if it sews, but it looks like it's doing okay down here. So I guess the next stage is going to be to put the bobbin in the bobbin case and see what kind of stitch we get out of it.